Good day, tilapia fish growers. This is the result of a tropical storm. Everything is destroyed, even my home. Luckily, my fish pond survived. Look at my home, destroyed. I have already harvested partial of my fish pond, tilapia. I already have an income and bought plain corrugated sheet for my roof. May azolla pond also devastated. I think the azolla flew away when the storm struck. May bahay kubo destroyed, although my electrical system is still okay. Every night I turn it on using a generator to aerate my pond and the paddle wheel, because that paddle wheel is electric. I have already harvested partial of this fish pond, tilapia, and used it to buy my roof, because all of my roof got blown away. And although my TV, my refrigerator is okay, but I turn it all off because I'm using my generator to run a cell phone charging station. Maybe next week I'm going to repair my bahay kubo so that I could start stocking my things there. Right now these fishes are still scared, I think, because of the storm. They are very they don't gang up. That's it for today. See you next upload when I have internet connection, because our cells, all of our cell sites here in Bohol got destroyed and there are no internet connections, and that's it.